Ukraine's drone army continues to stop Russian offensive pushes, with armored vehicles having little armor, making them much more easier target to stop, and resulting often in the warhead detonating the ammunition inside. Seen with this BMP-3 getting targeted from behind by a FPV drone. Luckily for the Russian crew, the warhead only destroyed the engine, causing the vehicle to get immobilized but didn't reach the ammunition stored inside, with the crew quick to abandon the vehicle, leaving hatches and doors open. A second FPV drone could more easily take out the BMP, this time causing the ammunition to detonate, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.